What's going on, everybody? You got the Raging Rob here, coming to you live, but not live, from the great state of Arizona. I'm just outside of Williams. Yeah, this is what's going on here. There appears to be a massive wildfire going on right outside of Williams, Arizona. I was on the I-40. I started seeing signs for smoke ahead, and then I turned the corner, and this is what I seen. So I got off the freeway, got some videos of it. I'm on my way to California, so I ain't got a lot of time, but up here in the mountains, that fucker's massive too. I'm just outside of Williams, Arizona. This is right off the I-40. I'm headed west. I got to go to California. I got delivery in California tonight, LA area. Then I got to go to pick up a load and go to Texas. So if you look real close, I thought I could have seen some flames in there. Look at this fucking, oh my god. Yeah, it's pretty fucking massive. So this is what I'm encountering today. Up here in the high country, Williams, Arizona. That's beautiful scenery up here. Beautiful scenery up here. But you got this shit going on. Coming to you live, but not live, from Williams, Arizona. Wow. Crazy. Try to get different. I don't know if I can go back there or not and try to get a different view. The I-40's right here. This is the I-40. I just came out of Flagstaff a few minutes ago. And it looked like it's spreading too. It's just fucking massive. Wow. So this is what I'm encountering today in Arizona. Fucker's massive too. I guess it just started because I didn't find anything on the Arizona DOT Twitter page or nothing, so like nobody's reporting on it. So I'm guessing it just started not too long ago, and the damn thing's spreading. There's a few other people out here videotaping it. They got to get their plugs in, got to get their viral videos going, you know. Alright. I gotta get going. I got a delivery to make. I gotta get to California tonight, so. Is there a fucking campground down here? RV park down here? Oh my god. Yeah, look at it. That son of a bitch is spreading. See over there? It's spreading. Oh my god. You can see it. Look at that. It looks like it's freaking spreading over there. Wow. This is Williams, Arizona. All right, I gotta get going.